Hey guys, Fahzman here. In this video I am going to show you how to record your computer screen with PassWeb Screen Recorder. It enables you to record the computer screen with audio in high quality so you can record multiple ongoing scenes such as instructional videos, games, live streams in HD format with unlimited recording time. It has powerful screen recording features and is mainly used for video creation, live gaming, course recording and more. It can basically meet all the needs of screen recording. The link to this software is available in the video description. So after installation, launch this. You will see the interface like this. It has three main functions: screen recording, record game and record webcam. With screen recording, you can capture the part you want to record. With game record, you can record the gameplay. And with record webcam, it lets you put creator's face on the video when you record online courses, reaction videos, study videos, etc. Here we have few settings, like you can enable capture mouse, capture keystroke. In the task tab, it helps creators auto-save the recorded video in every 30 minutes or the duration creators set. You can set schedule recording. You can choose the start time and record area. In File tab, you can check the videos you have recorded and the screenshots here. Plus, you can also change the output location from here. In General Settings, you can enable hardware acceleration to make computer run faster and output smoother. You can choose the frame rate from 15 to 60 and you can choose the resolution from here. You can also choose the output format. In the Effect tab, you can enable the mouse cursor and select 4 different cursor highlight colors. Plus you can enable to show keystrokes. Next we have Task tab. We have already talked about this section. In Device section, you can check the connected webcam, microphone and speaker. And in the hotkeys, you can simply click on the hotkey to change it to a new one as you want. To record the screen, click on the first option, Record Screen. Now you can single click to select the whole screen or long click to select a defined window. Click on the recording icon. The PassWeb Screen Recorder will start to record your screen. During the recording process, you can click the pause button to pause the recording. You can click the camera icon to quick screenshot. You can also click on the picture-in-picture icon to quickly switch to webcam recording or picture-in-picture recording. Next we have Draw section, like we have pen tool, highlighter and arrows. So you can draw anything during presentation and in tutorial videos. If you want to finish the recording, just click on the stop button. Once you click the stop button, the software will end the recording and launch to the editing interface. You can click on the play icon to preview the video or start to trim it as you want. If you don't need to edit the video, you can simply click on the open output folder to check the video. So with this, you can also record games play and webcam. So it is an ideal screen recording software to record lectures, presentations and video tutorials. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment on below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.